This is a capture race challenge for black. It seems like 4 liberties on 4 liberties, but it's actually quite complicated. If black plays here first, white can bend here, and pushing here on the first line will not work, will not change the liberty situation. So if black plays something like this, then it will fail. This way, this is 2 liberties on 3, and black will die this way. So black should play something like this, and this will be a ko. This way, white cannot hope to capture black because of this cut at number 9. So this way, white will fail. So instead, white should just start this ko this way. So ko threat here, raising the stakes, but white gets to capture back. So this is how the ko might play out. And that's why number 1 here is actually not the optimal answer. Black can bend here first. What happens now is that black can play here instead. If white captures, then black can stand down here at number 5, and this way, black will actually be able to win, because now white cannot enter from either side. So white can only capture here, and white will be 1 liberty short. If white plays here, black can still stand down. And now arguably, white can start a ko this way. So this is one possibility, or black can play something like this on the inside. And what happens now is that white might be able to escape this way, but black can cut underneath and still escape. So this might be an acceptable outcome for both sides as well, especially black. But the bottom line is that once black stands down here, black will be able to win this race to capture after number 7. So this is pretty neat setup, sacrificing number 1, but it forces white an extra move to remove number 1. And that is the main takeaway from this pattern. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.